Today we'll dive into the remarkable features of the CableGeeker Patch Panel 24-port, an essential networking component designed to streamline your cable management and optimize network performance. In this review, I'll share insights and observations based on its construction, functionality, and overall value. Firstly, the CableGeeker Patch Panel is constructed with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability. It is compatible with Cat6, Cat5e, and Cat5 cabling systems, making it versatile for various setups. The inline RJ45 pass-thru keystone jacks ensure a straightforward setup, reducing installation time and complexity. Moreover, its removable back bar assists in maintaining neat cable organization, which is vital for diagnosing and altering connections efficiently. Another standout feature is its 10G support capability, ensuring its relevance for modern high-speed data transmissions. During installation and testing, the panel exhibited excellent connectivity with performance metrics in line with industry standards. The 1U rack mount design facilitates easy integration into existing data center racks, adhering to 19-inch specifications used widely in the industry. In summary, the CableGeeker Patch Panel 24-port proves to be a valuable addition to any network infrastructure setup. Its adaptable design, combined with advanced features, ensures it meets both current and future networking demands. For anyone seeking a reliable, functional patch panel that doesn't compromise on performance, this product undoubtedly merits consideration. Let us know your thoughts or experiences with this patch panel below.